In this video, I'm gonna talk about the control structures in computer science. Control structures decide how the program flow based on given parameters. There are three control structures, which are sequential flows, conditional flows, and repetitive flows. Sequential flow is the simplest control structure that executes the code according to sequential order. It executes each statement one by one without skipping or repeating. This is how a sequential flow works. For an example, the steps to open YouTube on PC. First, we're gonna launch the internet browser on your PC. Next, we type youtube.com on URL bar and press enter. We are just execute the step according to sequence. This is how sequential flow execute the statements. But there's a problem here. What if we wanna execute different parts of statement in different conditions? So that's why we have conditional flow in the control structures. The conditional flow is involving a set of conditions to determine which set of statements gonna execute. Let's say if the condition is true, then action A will be done. Otherwise, action B will be executed. For better clarification, let's say we drink coffee only if we feel tired. So, tired is our condition. And drink coffee is the action, or we say that is the statement. We simplify it to programming language like statements. It becomes if tired in bracket, then drink coffee. So the statement will be executed only if the condition is fulfilled, or we say that the condition is true. Now we add one more thing into sentence. We drink tea if we don't feel tired. So we say that drink tea is the alternative statement for this case. The alternative statement will be executed if the condition is false. Let's add one more condition together with one more statement. Eat ice cream if feel hot. So now we have three different set of statements gonna execute in three different situations. You can add even more statements and conditions, and this will be how it looks like. These two control structures seems perfect, right? But what if we wanna do a repetitive job? Are we gonna write a same statement repetitively? That's where we our nightmare if we don't have repetitive structure in computer science. The repetitive flows is involving repetitions of a set of statements until fulfill condition. Let's say we wanna execute action A 100 times, so we can implement a repetitive structure to do this. Therefore, we don't need write the same statement 100 times, and just need to change one time when there is a bug in the statement. To visualize the repetitive flow, let's say we wanna calculate the sums of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 until 100. We can write the statement manually, but it will be very long and tend to introduce mistakes in the statement, like the 16 written as 17 in this statement. Therefore, it is better to introduce repetitive flow into our program to save our times and make the code more readable. Besides, let's say the requirement change to sum from 1 to 1000. We can just simply edit the condition of repetition to fulfill new requirement. These are control structures in computer science. We can create any program with combination and nested structure of these three control structures. I'm Chi Heng. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.